I wish to commend the Iraq Middle Market Development Fund for its vision in originating and supporting this innovative seminar and scholarship program. IMMDF recognizes that a key element of successful development is not just equipment and facilities, it's people. And by investing in people through this program, IMMDF assures itself of a supply of human capital, skills, and capabilities that will assist in its work, and at the same time assists the country of Iraq and its Kurdistan region in preparing for the future. So thank you, IMMDF. Thank you, Mr. Jorge Villa, for your vision and foresight and your support of our students.
We are delighted to have this opportunity to continue our cooperation with American University. IMMDF was created in 2005 to finance Iraqi companies' projects that generate employment and economic growth in Iraq. I hope this development finance seminar will give American University students the tools to understand development finance, and through development finance create a better country.
My name is Shanyan, a business student. I've always wanted to learn about my field, so as soon as I got this email, I applied for it because I found the seminar could be beneficial for enhancing the level of our knowledge and make connection with outside business.
I am Ansar Umar. I am a major business student in American University in Sulaimani. I preferred and joined this seminar since it will be one of the best pragmatic steps that helps me go toward my future career, and it provides me a better understanding for finance in Kurdistan, Iraq generally, and I'm sure it will be the best experience to be prepared for real life experience.
I'm Tara Muhammad, business major, senior student. I believe that this program will connect me to the outside world and to other businesses, and that's really important, especially for females in this region. And I do believe that finance and good financial plans will lead to the growth of the economy, and also in the long term it will build a good infrastructure for the country. Thank you.
My name is Mohammed Fateh. I am a student at AUIS and I'm also a business major. I participated in this program which AUIS provided in partnership with IMMDF. I am hoping that the very basic outcome of this program would be that I learn about the outside world, and also more specifically about the business and also finance fields in this country.
Here.